Johnny Fluffypunk, and I am a writer, performer and poet. And I am here to share a few ideas to help children get writing, poeting and songing, all in the name of belonging. And we're aiming to connect the children of modern multicultural Gloucester with their peers in the past. And to that end, I'm going to be making 4 short films. 4 films and 4 workshop experiences. We'll come up with a better word than that. That aim to inspire primary school age children from across the city and its environs, and they'll get to work with archives, with all the wonderful photographs and exciting old school records, including punishment records. They will be responding to this with art. They'll be writing poems and stories. You never know what the children might do. You might even get a rap or 2 if you're lucky. School, eh? There's loads of brilliant stuff in the archives all about school. From photographs of classes 100 years ago, attendance records, excuses for being late, for being put into detention, the day a plane landed on the field next to the school. Maps. Who doesn't love a good map? And one of our films is going to be looking at maps. Gloucester's a city that's seen a lot of changes, and we can trace these on all those maps. And we can find places that no longer exist, and we can use them to maybe build a completely new folklore for the city. Maps. In one film, we'll deal with multiculturalism, diversity in Gloucester's past, delving into the archives for fragments of information about people's experience. On this street, for instance, there was a refuge housing Kindertransport refugees from Nazi Germany, and there's loads of fascinating information to look at there. So I can see poems, stories, letters home as we compare experiences then and now. The Second World War in Gloucester. Gloucester was a dock city. That made it a bit of a target. So in the archives there's loads of stuff about where bombs dropped and gas mask drills in school records, that kind of thing. Diving into the air raid shelter when necessary. But there's more than that. Gloucestershire was also where people were evacuated to, from Bristol, from London. And there's loads of stuff in the archives about that too. Can't you almost smell the art waiting to be made? We'll get some brilliant stuff out of this, and my filmmaking skills will improve too.